Welcome to video 9 of Dave Lee's Masters project, Augmented Reality for Museums. What I'm going to be looking at here is how to create extra tags for the Augmented Reality program, so custom tags. So what we need to do is we need to run this application here called mk_pat, make pattern. This can be found in the bin folder of the AR toolkit. This can be downloaded from the AR Google Code website. They've got it up there. It's a free application that can be run. So what we need to do is we need to double click on this exe, which will open a DOS window. There we go. Don't worry about giving it a file name at the moment, we'll just click enter. Then what this will do, give you some screen formats, and this will it's just about the webcam really. But if we click OK, that will open a webcam window up and the webcam will switch on. You need to make sure you have one installed first of all. There we go. Okay, what you need to do then is hold up a pattern, and what you'll see is a red and green line that become around the outside of the square. It detects anything that has a black square around the edge. This is not a particularly good pattern because obviously it has two. But if I click in the center, the screen will then disappear. And I can click on the DOS window and give it a file name. We'll call this square. You have to give it a file extension. It doesn't really matter what it is, but for consistency I use PATT. Then that saves it. You close that down. What you'll then find is that in the same folder, got down here we've got square.pat, and we can take that and we can import it into the Eclipse project. So for ease, let's copy that and put it onto the desktop. Looks like I've already got one there, so that's fine, we won't worry about that. We can open up Eclipse and we import it into the root of the assets folder. So we import here, file system, desktop, square.pat. And that's all we need to do. That then becomes a tag for augmented reality, the same as the L-shape I've been using. The tags work best when they can only be one way up. Otherwise the object won't know which way it's facing and it becomes very unusual. So if you have extra squares inside extra black squares, then they can act as the outside of a tag, so it's best to avoid that. So this is a particularly bad example. But the L-shape works particularly well because it can only be one way up. A U-shape would work fine, or a letter like an R or something like that would also work fine.